Welcome to week 8 and the respiratory chapter. Chapter 12 in your textbooks this week is what we're going to go over. The respiratory system is a pretty good sized chapter. There's a lot of anatomy and physiology again at the beginning, some really great vocabulary words. I want to make sure that you read through those, listen to the terminology and the pronunciations as I say them. There's not a lot of blue boxes here, but you've got some prefixes, combining forms, and suffixes to go through. Really pay close attention to a lot of these disorders and also the testing. And I always encourage you to go out to YouTube. Again, and I think I've said this before in class, Nucleus Medical Media is one site you can go on YouTube, and they're not blood and guts. A lot of us are trying to decide what we want to do in healthcare maybe, or you're taking this course because it's part of, a healthcare program, an allied health program that you're in. Some of us aren't real big on blood and guts, and Nucleus Medical Media is a great educational grouping of videos. They do a great job with videos. So you can go out there and look at some of them, search some of these tests or what they have in Nucleus Medical Media under the respiratory system. It's kind of fun. It's that time of year. That's why I chose the picture, thinking about the flu and the strains that are coming out and who's getting the flu shot and who isn't, who has to and who doesn't have to, who's getting sick and who isn't getting sick. There's a lot to talk about right now, and you hear about it all over the news and the media too sometimes. So have fun this week with the respiratory system.